So it is the first theatrical release for Mattel, and it is for their most profitable brand. And Barbie is not just any other brand. It has been part of the cultural conversation, as you alluded to, for decades. What's also important to understand is that even at the start of the year, and as we approached movie release date, expectations had been low on what this could mean for Mattel's strategy in terms of actually elevating toy sales. And I would say the jury is still out on that because this is a live action film, and you're not necessarily going to take a 5, 6-year-old to watch this movie. At the same time, Mattel is also targeting the millennial and Gen Z mothers that maybe grew up with the Barbie brand and perhaps trying to appeal to the nostalgia and meaning of what the brand has meant to generations of women. We have been of the opinion that the near-term opportunity with the Barbie movie lies in the consumer product business. And while you might see some halo effect on the toy portfolio, the real accretion could come from high margin consumer product revenue that doesn't really come with much incremental cost. These are third parties that brand a range of consumer products and pay Mattel a royalty payment on that sale. This is a very high margin business, and it could be nicely accretive to profitability over time.
Just goes to show how, fickle the movie industry is. When you get it right, when you've got the right actors and critically the right director and the right theme, I guess, it can really pay off big. But it's not a long-term growth strategy, is it? When you've got the continuous mining of historical figures like this, have you seen across the movie and comic industries now, isn't it sort of stifling creativity? What's going to happen 20 years from now when there are no new ones to be mined?
So content monetization and sort of this asset-light approach to creating content with owned IP has been a key part of the strategy for management at Mattel. And in some ways, Barbie movie is a litmus test of that strategy because Mattel has 14 of these deals lined up for the next several years and continues to build brands, right? We have been positive on Mattel just based on the strength of the own brand portfolio and opportunity for monetization of that IP, as well as valuation. And in terms of Barbie movie specifically and what this could mean for Mattel's earnings, we calculate as much as 28 cents of EPS opportunity for the company from consumer product licensing revenue stream over time, with perhaps some nice halo effect on the overall Barbie franchise. Overall, a more IP-driven strategy could mean a more sort of expanded consumer product licensing business. But of course, over time, it also could mean a better reach to the core target demographic in the traditional toy business. And again, Mattel has 14 of these deals lined up for the next several years.